So data validation allows you to restrict what type of data is going into a specific cell. So let's kind of get started with this. So I want to restrict data in A1 through 10. And we're going to come back over here to the data tab, and we're going to set up data validation. So it's going to ask us a few questions here. What type of data do you want to restrict? And so you can click on this down arrow, and you have a couple of options here that you can pick from. So we're going to just start with a whole number. And here you can decide, do you want that whole number between something, not equal to, greater than, or equal to, etc. So we're going to say we're going to have a minimum of 1 and a maximum of 10 for a whole number. Over here under input message, we can actually show a message regarding the instructions of what to do with this. So and put a whole positive whole number between 1 and 10. And then we can display an error message if they don't do that. Whoops. Sorry, enter a positive number between 1 and 10. Now you can see that the instructions pop right up here. If I click over here, they do not. And I can type in 1, 20, 20, sorry, enter a positive number between 1 and 10. Okay, fine. So I'm going to retry -1, same thing. 1.1, same thing. So I can only do the numbers that I've dictated that are allowed. Now if I come over here and I type, none of those restrictions are in place outside of my data range here. Now let's say that you make a mistake or you want to change it. You can select those cells that you want to change, all or none of them, and you can come back over here to your data validation and change whatever you want. If you want to delete this entirely, you can just hit clear all, click OK, and now that's totally gone. So now I can do whatever I want in these cells.